In this video, I'm going to explain the details of the client view configuration. The first element here, enable client user assignments on task and work items. This is a default setting, which when new projects are created will inherit from. So if this is on when a new project is created, this will also be on, and that means that you can assign a client user to tasks and work items. That'll route them to their home screen when they log in. This setting right here turns on and off the ability for a client to see any kind of project summary. If this is off, then at no point will a user be able to see any project data. If you turn it on, then that means that a client user may or may not be able to see project summary information if a project manager chooses to share that with them. In order for a client to see project summary information, they must be added as a resource to the project from the resources list. Otherwise, they won't see it. And this allows you to selectively choose which clients users can see which projects. In case you have a larger account with a lot of client users, you may have a client that has a couple users going to one project and a couple users going to another project. So this lets you do that. These other settings enable issues on project client view, enable risks, enable files. This globally turns risks, issues, and files on or off. So if you do not ever want to share issues with a client, just do this, and that means that project managers can't even select it as an option when they create their projects. Manage issue fields. You can go here to select which fields on issues client can see. This last setting here, enable client users to view basic project information. If this is on when a new project is created, then clients will have the ability to see basic project information. But again, in order for a client to see it, they also have to have this setting on a project and be added to the project at the same time. Below here are some general settings. This allows you to share a report with a client user. If you turn this on, if you turn it off, then client users will not be able to see reports. And then this final option right now allows clients to have mailing address details on their profile.